this is an important fundamental for the cannabis industry. What we will be tracking in 2022, New York is coming online, Connecticut, New Jersey, as you can see, the 2022 estimates where in the year sales start. So there's some really big states coming on next year that have already passed, and we're not yet know the dates when rec sales are going to start, but you're looking at a significant portion of the population of this country now going to have access to legal cannabis. So that's a really important factor when you think about the continuing growth in the fundamentals of the industry. Now, unfortunately, in the cannabis space, we have to deal with Washington and significant issues on trying to get past these ridiculous laws that is cannabis and marijuana as a Schedule I drug. So what we've done on slide 9, you can see we've mapped out what we think the current safe looks like, and obviously dark green to that gray numbers will show where the votes are and what we think the current setup is for an expected vote. Now this is on but basically on the SAFE Act. Obviously the current legalization that Schumer and Booker put forward doesn't have any chance of passing in its current form. So there's a lot of wrangling to do between now and next year before the midterms, and let's hope it is before the midterms that we get some laws passed, because, and I stole slide 10, I stole this chart from Axios, in 7 out of the last 8 elections, the public voted for change. So the party in power has lost power in the midterm elections, and that's except for 98 and 2002. So unfortunately, that doesn't bode well for the Democrats unless people hate Republicans, which I'm not a political person, but I do have to pay attention to it now. So unfortunately, this is probably a cannabis headwind that will rear its ugly head as we head into midterms if we don't get some sort of passage on some kind of legalization, whether it's SAFE Plus, or the current Opportunity Act that Schumer put out. But we got a long way to go before that.